TaiRox Productivity Tools adds dozens of extensions and features to standard Sage 300 data entry screens. In this video, we'd like to show you how the Productivity Tools Options screen controls a wide variety of customizations for entering orders, shipments, purchase orders, and PO receipts in Sage 300. Let's have a look. I'll open the Options program for TaiRox Productivity Tools. Depending on your version of TaiRox Productivity Tools, the Options screen displays 5 or 6 tabs. The General Ledger tab will not appear unless you have an enterprise license for TaiRox Productivity Tools. Let's look quickly at each screen. The Menu tab lets you hide productivity tools that are not used by your company. Just use the checkboxes to select the programs that you want to see on the Sage 300 desktop. It's easy. The Item Quantities tab lets you choose which locations and Sage 300 companies are included when you view item quantities in Extended PO Entry, Extended PO Receipt Entry, Extended Order Entry, and Extended Shipment Entry. The item quantities appear at the bottom of those screens or in a separate pop-up screen. The Business Days tab lets you specify your company's regular business days and additional non-business days, such as statutory holidays and closures for inventory counts. Productivity Tools uses the regular business days and non-business days to calculate order entry's expected ship date and deliver by date in the Extended Order Entry program. The Order Entry tab provides a large number of options for entering orders and shipments. You will notice that many of these options involve using Sage 300 optional fields, in many cases with customer accounts, to enforce customer-specific data entry rules. Starting from the top, it lets you require orders and shipments to include a purchase order number, warn for customer PO numbers that were used on previous orders or shipments, show totals for a selected unit of measure, include line discounts in margin and markup calculations, require a valid ship-to location code, prevent users from changing the ship-to address on orders and shipments, require a ship-to phone number, calculate order entries deliver by date and expected ship date, and default the quantity committed to the quantity ordered in Extended Order Entry for selected customers. And it lets you display customer optional fields right on the Order Entry and Shipment Entry screens. You specify which fields appear with the Include and Exclude buttons, and order them as you like. The Purchase Orders tab lets you require receipts to include a purchase order number. It also lets you link PO lines created from an order to the original order lines for use with reports or program additions, and show totals for a selected unit of measure. You can also select vendor optional fields that you want to display on the PO entry and receipt entry screens. Finally, the General Ledger tab appears if you have an enterprise version of Productivity Tools. It lets you specify an optional field for tagging posted GL transactions. Note that this tab does not appear on the Options screen unless you have an enterprise license for TaiRox Productivity Tools. That concludes a quick look at Productivity Tools Options settings. For more information on TaiRox Productivity Tools, please visit the TaiRox website at www.tairox.com or email us at info@tairox.com.